Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding what specific skill or topic you want to master and why it matters to you. Create a short playlist now. Add 3-5 videos that align with one learning objective. Once queued, turn on captions and set playback to 1, 25x or 1, 5x to maintain focus. Make sure to pause and take notes after each 5-10-minute segment so you convert passive watching into active practice. Once you have a playlist, adopt a loop. Watch a focused clip, immediately practice what you saw, then reflect briefly and note errors. Use timestamps and chapters to jump to the exact explanation you need. This saves time and reinforces retention. Make sure to subscribe to creators who consistently explain foundations and turn on notifications to catch updated lessons. Consistency beats random consumption when you're building a skill. Finish each study cycle by creating a quick summary. Record a 2-5-minute voice note or short video teaching the concept back. Teaching proves mastery. Then test yourself with a small project or timed quiz within 1 to 3 days to lock memory. If you get stuck, rewind to the exact minute where the explanation occurred, rewatch slowly, and ask a clarifying question in the comments. Often creators or other learners will point you to the missing step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.